Hello there, I'm Sarah with WTI. This pair of SOJOS have been exactly what I want because of their size. This is a square cat eye. They give me a ton of coverage from sunlight and glare. And the fact that they're polarized means that I'm not gonna get eye fatigue no matter the condition. My eyes are so sensitive, so I wear these even when it's raining out. They help me when I'm driving because polarized lenses cut down on glare. Even if you're not getting direct sunlight on your face, glare can be very difficult. And I am very happy with the quality of these sunglasses. The color is green and it's just fantastic. The square shape and the overall feel of the glasses makes them easy to wear all day long. They have a comfortable built-in nose pad, and I have a really small nose and bridge, but these fit me perfectly. The bridge is comfortable. The temple piece is long enough, and I love the fact that it's that gold contrasting color, but then the ears end in the same color green. These are just a well-made, well thought out, classy looking pair of sunglasses, and I've been reaching for them again and again. So whether you're worried about having a glare protection and you're looking for a good pair of polarized sunglasses, or you just want to add something fashionable, you're going to get both with these. So these have definitely been a new favorite pair in my collection, and that is my point of view.